Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking Amaryllis. So big, so bold, so fabulous in designs. It takes a little bit of extra care and handling, multiple steps. First off, take a pin, pierce a hole in the top. That's to allow the air to escape because you fill the bottom with water. Yes, the stem's hollow. Adding water, the air is escaping the other end. When it's full, there we go, give it a fresh cut, however long you want it to be. Then to make sure that the water doesn't come out, go back with a cotton ball and plug the stem. It'll still drink because the cotton will absorb the water. Last step, they're prone to splitting. The stems are not really strong. So taking clear waterproof tape, wrap around the end, making sure you go tape over tape so that it secures. Give it a cut. Then take it, set it in the vase of water, ready for your arrangement.